So this is a quick test. We're not going to change the mic settings. The mic settings is hitting around about -11. I've got the gain at the moment set to -24. So my headphones, I'm not hearing any background noise, but obviously this might be a bit too quiet to hear. So I'm just going to turn up the gain. At the moment I've got the gain set to 0, so I'm hitting about -12 on the way out. So now I can actually hear some traffic noise in the background on the headphones, but we'll see how good this is on the actual recording onto the computer. Now I'm just going to turn up the gain slowly. I'm just turning up now, so it's gone +7. That's a little bit loud. I'm going to just turn it back to +6. +6 though, so that's +6 now. So as we're speaking now, we're just going up to +6 on the peaks. So as I'm speaking normally, I seem to be somewhere more like between -12 and -6, probably about I don't know, about -8 I'd say. If I speak a little bit louder like I'm speaking now, I'm keep hitting about -6. Again, I haven't turned the microphone. The microphone's sort of pointed towards me. I can hear my breaths as well in the headphones. Headphones are set to, let's see, I've got the headphones set to 76. That's strange. So the headphones are set to 76. I'm just about hitting the red on the line out. This is mic is set to, let's just see if I can see the input. Well, probably won't be able to change it, but the input is set to trim of +38 and it's line phantom power. So +38. So I'm just going to bring it back down so we can hear again. So bring it back down to 0 dB, so we're hitting about -12. I can hear car noise in my headphones. Just now about -6. I can just about hear the car in the background, but it's hardly noticeable. It's a bit like being in the room itself, that you can just, yes, you can hear if you listen for it, but you don't really notice it. Okay, so this is the test over. So this was with the mic sat actually on my lap, and I'm in the lounge, so this is test over.